Hello guys, my name is Vishwanath and my registration number is URK19CS1153. In this video, we are going to see aggregate and built-in functions in the database management system, that is MySQL commands. So here is the first question. I have to insert the following tuples in the given tables. I have already created these deposit tables and branch tables. I have to insert these values in that table. So the query command is insert into deposit values of a 106, name and a branch, that is Sanjeev, and their branch amount of 2000 and the date of 31st March 1996. So I have to repeat these four names, so that insert into deposit values of 107 Shivani Vaira 1000 05th September 1995. Insert into deposit values of a 108 Kranti Nehru Place branch 5000 rupees 2nd July 1995. Insert into deposit values of a 109 Narayan Powai branch amount of 7000 10th August 1995. After executing these commands, if the rows has been created, command has if is displayed, then the command has been executed successfully. I have to repeat the same commands for inserting the data into the branch table. So the command is insert into branch values of Dharampet, Nagpur. Insert into branch values of MG Road, Bangalore. Insert into branch values of Nehru Place, Delhi. Insert into branch values Powai, Bombay. Next table is customer table. I have to insert this following data in the customer table. So the command is insert into customer values of Pramod, Nagpur. Insert into customer values of Sandeep, Surat. Insert into customer values of Shivani, Bombay. Insert into customer values of Kranti, Bombay. Insert into customer values Narayan, Bombay. Next is I have to insert these two names in the Barrow table. So the command is insert into Barrow values of 375 Pramod Varar 8000. Insert into Barrow values of 481 Kranti Nehru Place 3000. My next question is list the total loan amount taken by the borrowers. So the query command is sum. Select the sum of amount total from Barrow table. The amount will be displayed as output. Coming to the third question, the question is find the total deposits done by the depositor. So the command is select sum of amount total deposit from the deposit. After executing this command, total deposits will be displayed. Next question is list the total loan taken from the Andheri branch. So the command is select sum of amount total loan from the Barrow where branch name is equals to, that is B name is equals to Andheri. B name is equals to Andheri. Next question is write a query to find the total deposit of customers having account date later than 1st January 1996. So the question is we have to find the total deposits of the customers having account date later than 1st January 1996. So the command is select the sum of amount total loan from deposit where a date is greater than date mentioned above, that is 1996 1st January. 31570 has been displayed as output. Next question is find the total deposits of the customers living in the city Nagpur. We have to find the total deposit of customers living in the city Nagpur. So the command is select sum of amount total amount from deposit inner join customer on customer dot city is equals to Nagpur and deposit dot customer name, that is C name, is equals to customer dot C name. Total amount will be 3300. My next question is list the max deposit of customers living in the Bombay. So the command is select max of amount. I have to display max amount, max deposit from deposit inner join customer on customer dot city, that is Bombay, and deposit dot customer name is equals to customer dot customer name. The max deposit will be 7700. Next question is find the total number of branch cities. We have to find the count of branch cities. So the command is select count of a distinct space city from the branch. The count distinct cities will be 4. Next question is find the total number of customer cities. We have to find the total number of customer cities. So the command is select count distinct city from the customer. The output will be displayed as 6. Next question is write a query to display the branch name and branch wise deposits. So the command is select a B name, that is branch name, and sum of amount from deposit group by branch name, that is B name. The following output will be displayed if the following command is executed. Next question is give the branch wise deposit of the customer after account date 1st January 1996. For this, the command is select branch name, that is B name, amount from the deposit where a date is 1st January 1996, order by branch name, that is B name. The following output will be displayed after executing this command. Next question is find the total count of customers. We have to find the total count of customers in the all the branches. So the command is select count of a customer name, that is C name, from the customer table. 10 will be displayed as output. Next question is find the total count of depositors by branch wise. Command is select branch name, that is B name, count the number of customers from deposit group by name. We have to group by name. So the command is group by B name. The following output will be displayed after executing this command. 14th question is write a query to find the maximum loan from the branch VRC. We have to find the maximum loan from the branch VRC. So the command is select max of amount. We have to display max amount. So I have to put it in double quotes from barrow table where branch name is equals to VRC. If the following command has been executed, then 1000 will be displayed as max amount. Next question is list the branches having sum of deposits more than 4000. We have to find the which having a sum of deposits more than 4000. So the command is select branch name, that is B name, from deposit group by name having sum of amount greater than 4000. Three names will be displayed as output, that is Anjani, Powai and Nehru Place as branches. 16th question is calculate the length of the string DBMS from the dual table. For this, the command is select DBMS as a string, which will be a string. Select length of DBMS, which will be displayed as length. So I have to put it in double quotes from the dual. The output will be displayed as 4. Next question is display the names of customers in the uppercase. For this, the command which is a predefined function is upper. So the command is select upper of a C name, that is customer name. I have to put it in a name, so that I will be putting in double quotes from the customer table. The following names will be converted into uppercase. Next question is display the substring nil from the Sunil from deposit table. For this, there is a predefined function, that is substring, that is substr. So I will be using that command select CNAME substring of CNAME comma 3 comma 5 from deposit where CNAME is equal to Sunil. So it will be starting from third character to fifth character. So the output will be displayed as NIL. 19th question is prefix account number column with 2 zeros in a deposit table. I have to update the data. So the command is update deposit set account number is equals to concat of 00 comma act number. I have to add 00s to the all the account numbers. So the account numbers will be updated to the all the customer names. Next question is sort the deposit table based on the account number. We have to sort the deposit table by their account numbers. So the following command can be executed. Select star from deposit order by account number ASC. If the command has been executed, then all the account numbers will be sorted. Next question is use add months function to add 3 months from current system date. For this, the command is select add underscore months of 05th August 2021 comma 3 date from dual. The following will be executed. After executing this, the output will be displayed, that is 5th November 2021. Next question is use round and trunc function to round off the truncate the value 15.6789 from the dual table. For this, the command is select round. With round will be a predefined function. So round of 15.6789, round trunc of 15.6789, trunc from dual. So the output will be round will be 16, trunc will be 15. Thank you.